Today we are here to talk about how to generate ideas in writing task. Now some of us get confused when we look at the question what to write in this. क्या ideas में ऐसे लिखूं so that I can get a better score. So that's what we are going to discuss today, how to generate ideas in writing task. Now it's not a magic trick that is going to help you. There are no tips that are going to help you. It's a very planned and simple strategy which you will have to practice over and over again, and that's how it's going to bring results for you. Now what is that strategy? It's structuring your thoughts. आप जो भी सोच रहे हैं उसको कैसे स्ट्रक्चर करना है, that is going to help you. Now let's start with what is that. Number one, as soon as you look at your question, जो भी आपको question मिला है, आपको पहले ये सोचना ही नहीं है I don't know about it or I know about it. The only thing you have to do as first is understand the question. If you do not understand the question, you will not be able to write the relevant answer. That's why please understand the question first. Now let's have a look at the question. Some people say that the only reason for learning a foreign language is in order to travel or work. Others say that these are not the only reasons why someone should learn a foreign language. Discuss both the views and give your opinion. So पहले आप समझोगे कि क्वेश्चन आपको बोल क्या रहा है. Now let's look at the major words in the question. Some people, only reason learning foreign language is to travel or work, but others say these are not the only reason. Now you have to discuss both the views as per the question and then give your opinion as well. Once you have understood the question, you have won half the battle. So first step, understand what is the question. Now let's move to why is that the case. Whatever statement you are writing, why is that the case? अगर statement 1 मुझे बोल रहा है, some people say that the only reason for learning a foreign language is in order to travel or work in a foreign country. Yes, can be the reason. Globalization is happening. People want a lot of exposure. So that's why to travel or work, they need to learn a foreign language. So you have to think of at least 2 reasons to support the statement. That's why is that the case is the second step. Once you have thought of 2 reasons why that is the case, you can think of 2 reasons for the other statement as well. अब second statement को अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, it says others say that these are not the only reasons. Maybe these are not the only reasons. People are passionate about learning a foreign language. That can also be a reason. Also, if they are doing blogging, another reason that can make them learn a language. Or maybe they are just simply interested in it. That's why they are learning the language. So you have to think of at least 2 more reasons of why would somebody learn a foreign language. So once you have thought of that, you have 2 reasons each for both the statements. Now coming to the last point, you have to discuss both the views plus give your opinion as well. How? So that's where the third step comes. Third step says, how much do you agree or disagree with this statement? आपका खुद का opinion उस statement को लेके क्या है? Maybe you support it, maybe you completely agree with it, or maybe you completely disagree with it. Maybe sometimes you do not completely agree or disagree with it, but you have to give 2 reasons for the same. So मुझे लगता है कि these are not the only reasons. There are multiple other reasons people learn a foreign language. ऐसा भी हो सकता है वो पढ़ाना चाहते हैं उस लैंग्वेज को. So if they want to teach that language, maybe they are learning that foreign language, or maybe they just want to experience something new, they want to learn something new, that's why they are learning the foreign language. So I have to think of an example and then agree or disagree. So yes, I agree, or yes, no, I do not agree with the statement, and this is my example to support the same. Simple 3 steps. Number 1, what is the question? Number 2, why is that the case? Number 3, how much do you agree or disagree with it? If you follow these 3 simple steps, you will be able to form the ideas around your question. Thank you so much for joining, and please come back to learn more strategies around how to attempt the modules of speaking, reading, listening, writing. Thanks a lot.